Cecia Health Education presents Special Enrollment Period, SEP. Today we'll learn what a health insurance special enrollment period is and why it's so important to know all about this enrollment opportunity. We'll discuss SEP circumstances and life events that allow you to enroll in health insurance throughout the year. We'll also discuss who you should contact regarding your eligibility for a special enrollment period, and if you qualify, what to do next. So let's get started, capturing all you need to know about an SEP. A health insurance SEP, or special enrollment period, is a period outside the initial or open enrollment period that allows you to enroll in health insurance coverage. To help understand what an SEP is, let's review some facts regarding health insurance enrollment. For most health insurance coverage types, there are specific time periods when you can enroll into or buy coverage. For example, Medicare eligible individuals have an initial enrollment period when first eligible for Medicare, and then have an annual open or general enrollment period to obtain coverage. For group plans, coverage is usually offered to an employee when first hired, and then each year during an annual enrollment period. For individual ACA coverage, which means marketplace plans or plans purchased directly from the insurance company that follow the Affordable Care Act, there is an annual open enrollment opportunity. For these and some other insurance types, if individuals do not enroll when first eligible or during the set open or annual enrollment period, you cannot obtain coverage unless you qualify for a special enrollment period. Which brings us back to our topic today. A special enrollment period allows you the opportunity to enroll in health insurance coverage outside of those preset enrollment periods. An SEP is usually based on a circumstance or a qualifying life event, and if eligible, you'll have a time limit from the date of that event to enroll in coverage. So let's take a look at some life events that qualify you for an SEP. Moving is a qualifying event for most health insurance plan types when moving to a different zip code or county. This event can also include college students having to move for school or employees having to move for work. Gaining a new dependent through birth or adoption is another life event, and if you qualify for this SEP, coverage can start on the day of the birth or adoption, even up to 60 days after. Getting married is also a life event that qualifies you for a special enrollment period. Loss of other health insurance also generally qualifies as a special enrollment period, as long as that loss is not due to a failure to pay the premium. Some other life events or circumstances that may qualify you for a special enrollment period, depending on your insurance type, can include gaining citizenship, a change in income, death of a family member covered by the plan, release from incarceration, or loss of eligibility for a public health insurance program like Medicaid or CHIP. There are also other circumstances that can qualify you for a special enrollment period that are considered extenuating or due to an emergency. For example, a natural disaster or state emergency can activate a temporary SEP. So now that you have some basic information about a special enrollment period, you may be wondering where you can learn more about your eligibility and next steps. For Medicare special enrollment eligibility and next steps, you can call 1-800-MEDICARE or visit Medicare.gov. You can also get help with Medicare enrollment by contacting your local SHIP department. To learn more about an SEP and next steps for individual plans that follow the Affordable Care Act, you can visit healthcare.gov or contact an insurance company directly. However, not all individual plans follow the Affordable Care Act and may not cover pre-existing conditions. These plans are sold throughout the year and do not require an SEP. Therefore, it is important to ask. To learn more about an SEP and next steps for group plans, you can contact the Human Resources Department or Benefits Administrator. Also, please note that SEPs have time limits to enroll, which is calculated based on the circumstance or event. If you do not enroll within this time frame, you will miss the SEP opportunity and will have to wait for the open annual enrollment period unless you qualify for another SEP. Capturing the important things you need to know about a special enrollment period ensures that you are prepared to continue your health insurance when life happens, because having the coverage you need creates a perfect picture.